Hey everyone, this is Ken with Selkirk Woodcraft, and today I've got 5 woodworking tips and tricks that may just save you time and money while you're working in your workshop. I've used some of these tips and hacks over the years, and they come in handy from time to time, so hopefully you'll find some of these valuable to you too. And if you have any tips or hacks that you enjoy using, put them in the comments below. We can all learn together, and it really helps everybody out. So comment below and tell us what you know. Make sure to like and comment and subscribe. I'm almost to 1,000 subscribers, and hopefully after this video, I'll surpass that 1,000 subscriber mark. So I appreciate it, and let's get going. Have you ever had two pieces of wood you're trying to glue together, and the glue just makes it so slippery that no matter what you do when you're clamping them, you just can't get them lined up? So here's a little trick. Before you glue those two pieces together, you just take a little table salt, pour it in your hand, and throw it over your left shoulder, and hopefully you'll have good luck. But if that doesn't work, just sprinkle a little bit of table salt. Doesn't take much onto the surface of the glue. That gives it just enough grip where they won't slide around. And now they are locked in tight. That salt, as long as you don't use too much, it won't affect the glue joint. It'll just melt right in there, and your glue will still dry just fine. Now you can clamp those up. They're not going to move around, and it'll save you a lot of headache. Do you ever get frustrated with these little tiny nails that come with picture hangers? They're really hard to nail in, and you can try to hold them, but you're just going to smash your thumb to get them started. You can try to find a pair of needle nose pliers, but I can never find mine. So here's a little trick. Just get a little tiny piece of cardboard. Just punch it right through the cardboard, and that will hold it in place while you nail it in. Then you can just rip off the cardboard, and you're all set. This will save you from smashing your thumb and save you a lot of heartache. And there you have it. If you're using a marking gauge, but you don't want this sharp knife to gouge your wood, all you need to do is loosen this up, flip it around, set your depth, and use a pencil. Hold the pencil on the tip and draw it back, and it'll leave a nice, clean line without leaving a gouge on your wood. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you could take just a second and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, it's totally free, and all it does is notify you when I release new videos, and it helps the channel grow. So I would appreciate that, and hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.